Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to another platform that I have earned from. Yes, sometimes I talk about the ones I haven't earned from, but today I have earned £15 from this one after completing one task. So if you're the type that wants to start earning online through surveys, simple tasks, in-person discussion, one-on-one, interviews, online interviews, focus groups, and all of that, then this video is for you. And I don't want to hear you talk about location. I've told you guys. I started a paid Telegram group. Link is in the description for those that want to start earning regardless of your location. 2026 is not a time for I live in the hole. I live in the bush. I cannot access this and that. We're not doing that, they say. We are not doing that. And join that group where we will guide you through how to start earning online wherever you are. There are softwares you can use to bypass these things. Anyway, this one again is a UK based one, and guys, if you see the money there, you're going to shout. They actually pay. All you have to do is to choose the one that suits you. If you're far away, you can't commit to in person, you can go for online one or focus group, something that has to do with you completing online tasks, answering questions, having online chat and discussions. You can go for those ones. Okay, so I'll walk you through this one again. You're going to be blown away if you see when you see the amount of money that they are paying. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me to keep bringing you videos like this, and it helps YouTube to push it out to more people. If you're new, subscribe and drop first timer. I always like to welcome people into the community. Don't forget to join my channel membership if you want early access. Okay, and if you want access to me, like to have one-on-one with me or have me respond to you as fast as possible, join the channel membership. Let's get started. So this is the platform. The platform is called People for Research.co.uk. It's a UK based platform that hires people for research. And the type of study they focus on is they have, and the study type available here is online, in person, at home. You can complete some at home. Maybe they'll ask you to complete some tasks, maybe cook or clean or do something, test a product at home. They can also ask you to complete task online, have a discussion online, have a chat online, yeah. And they have in person where you have to go to a location with other participants and have a one-on-one discussion. Okay, I've done them before, each of them. So the one that I just completed that paid me this £15, I'm going to attach up there. This £15 up there was an online task I completed, like 5 minutes survey, and that was paid. So this is it here. They have currently 41 online, 6 in person, and 1 at home. And format of research is website testing, app testing, discussion, product testing. Research topic can be either accessibility, business and trade, education, financial habits, health and well-being, legal and welfare, lifestyle, professional, technology. Right, so you can see these are available tasks right now. So it says UK and it says online. This one says in person, at home, central London, 30 minutes to 2 hours, and it's paying 30 to 160 pounds. This one is 80 to 120. It's about finance professionals. Have your say on digital tax returns. Okay, this one is tax changes for sole traders and landlords. Are you ready? This one is calling all renewable energy professionals, £100. Influence the future of a digital healthcare service. Share your professional expertise and shape the future of digital healthcare. Ever wish payment tools worked the way you do? So these ones are online, all of them. This session will last 60 minutes, and they're still open. So how it works is you just apply, fill in your, but first of all, before you apply, make sure your profile is up to date. This is my profile here. I'm not going to open it, okay? I can't show you my personal details, but your profile needs to be up to date, and they pay out via PayPal. So another amazing thing, the payout method is PayPal or bank transfer. And another amazing thing is that if you join that paid Telegram group, cashing out your money will not be a problem because they don't really need like a permanent or a designated bank account or PayPal address. No. Whenever you complete a task and they want to pay, they will tell you, oh, we're gonna pay out this money via bank transfer, or we're going to pay out via PayPal. Then after you complete it, they will then ask you to fill in the bank details. So it's not like they're going to cross check the bank details to the person, against your name on your profile to make sure it matches. No, it's not that way. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So for instance, I applied for this one, okay, and after I applied, I was invited to take part. It says you're in. Hi Delphine, great news. You've been selected to take part in a study you recently applied for about making financial decisions. Keep reading to discover all you need to know to take part. And the incentive is £15 by bank transfer or voucher. The duration is 10 minutes. Okay. And I completed it. So after you complete the task, step two will now be get paid. You fill out your information here, confirm your full name, confirm your email address, and choose if you want it by bank transfer, voucher, or for them to donate it to a charitable organization on your behalf. So once you do that, I did this, I submitted it, waiting for them to like take for ages to pay me. The next day, I received the £15 in my bank account. So I'm going to attach it here. So location shouldn't be your problem. So all you have to do is to check the ones that are still available. You can see these ones are all available until 27th of April, 27th of February, 13th of February. They're all available. Are you wearing every hat in your business right now? Running your own business means juggling a wide range of responsibilities from winning work, chasing invoices. So you can apply for this one. You click on it like this, it will open like this. Then it will ask you, the incentive for this one is voucher. If you want to go for that, you can go. Alright, it says join a 60-minute online discussion and receive a £80 voucher as a thank you for your time. So if you want to go, then it says if you know anyone who might be suitable for this project, please share this opportunity with them. Then you also receive £20 referral fee. This one is high-end platform. I'm telling you guys. I'm not even supposed to share this here, but imagine referring someone and you're getting paid £20 for it. So if you want to apply for this one, you click on apply like this. Then it will bring you here. If you have a referral, let's say I referred you, then you put my name, my last name, my email address. You confirm my email address. Then please, can you confirm your employment status? You fill in this information. Now they're looking for business owners. Don't go and say you're employed full time. You should be going for business owner because that's the profile they're looking for. If you don't match the profile, you will not get this opportunity. Like I own a business as well, and I can go for this one if I want to. But because of this video, I'm not going to go into all the registration details now. So that's how you apply to all of them. I usually apply to as many, and once your email address is up to date, they will always send you notification in your inbox if there's an available opportunity that matches your profile. They will always send you email, but please make sure your profile is up to date. It's very important. Help transform teacher training for SEND, special needs, right? Great teacher training works best when it's shaped by the people who use it every day. We are running paid research sessions, and this one is 70 to 80 online. Would your story help shape more effective addiction support? £60. Make sure your profile is up to date. Once your profile is up to date, then Go ahead and click on opportunities. You will always see job. So everything you need to know about taking part in paid research, about them, about research stories, registration hub, helpful guide, policies, everything is here. Go now and sign up. And for those that are always asking me, if I'm using VPN, do I need to leave it on or do I need to always leave it in my phone? Yes. If you want to start earning online from these platforms, you need to make sure that the VPN is always installed in your phone. Why do you need to uninstall it? Is it only when you want to start completing survey that you then activate it? Leave it on in your phone. Okay, because if you start earning from this platform, happiness self will not allow you to rest. Leave it there. Okay, leave it there. There are free VPNs out there that you can use without even paying any money. If you need a UK number, get a UK number. Go online and get a UK number because all you need is a code to activate most of these platforms. Most of the times, you need your email address for email confirmation. That's all you need. But let your VPN be there. If you're looking for surveys in the UK, you need the UK number. Guys, I'm not even going to say all of this. These are the things that I'm going to tell my people in the paid Telegram group. Link is in the description if you want to join them there. You make the payment so that you will take it seriously. If it's free, you're not going to take it seriously. I have a free group, but this one I'm going to put all my attention there and help you guys. All right, let me know your thoughts. Please drop in the comment if you want more opportunities like this, and like this video. It helps me. Oh, it helps me. It encourages me to keep bringing you more videos like this. If you're just seeing me for the first time, comment down below. I always like to welcome people into the community. Don't forget to join the channel membership if you want more access. All right, if you also want me to do a live stream, let me know. We haven't done a live stream in a while. Let me know in the comments, and then we'll put all these things together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.